Oop. Well, my stereo kicked out. I was jamming. We're just back here at the Wealth Around Us today, just going around our new little happy hunting grounds. That is the backside of the dairy. And that is another part of that complex there. But all of this out here is about to start getting hunted. With the bandit. Some firewood going. Not bad, not bad. But I think this is going to be the base camp for this year's hunting season. Small game coming up. Here in August, some fox squirrels are going to be getting it. What, bandit? Yeah. Oh, he's already picking up. Yeah. There's stuff back in there. Squirrel likely. That seems to be what Bandit goes at. He's a squirrel dog. I tried training him to be a deer dog, and he just, like the other night, we ran dogs, and he broke loose of the pack, and he came back with a squirrel early. So we were like, oh, okay, this one, he's a small game dog. No, Bandit, hey, don't drink that water. Go down to that. No, Bandit, come up here. Don't drink stagnant water, dog. Been immunized, but there's no telling what's been drinking out of there. I can show you there's a finger of the river that runs past here and feeds the channel system they just built. Ooh, I can get right on out here. I might bring a fishing pole. But they call that Sweetwater Creek. Makes for a good soundtrack for sleeping. And there's no treacherous trees over me to be dropping leaves all over my tent. The trip at Fort Yargo, and I wouldn't trade it for nothing, but I only stayed one day. Wild edible. Because, my God, the amount of noise near Fort Yargo State Park at 3 in the morning is unreal. There's a steel plant that fires up, and then trucks come off the highway, and they drop steel from what sounds like 3 stories onto their trailers. And then you got trains come through about 4 a.m. screaming their horns and going about 60 miles an hour. And then, if you're lucky, around 4 o'clock in the morning, the park ranger will come driving through in his diesel F-350 on gravel roads. I tell you, my nerves were frayed. Everybody at the campground, though, everybody, there was a couple, and I heard them because they pack you so close in. And they were like 4 a.m. in the morning. A guy picked his head up and he was like, good God. I mean, just the amount of noise in that park is like, Jesus. There's a lot more my speed. About 5 minutes from the house. And this is the, what is it? Where are we? Orient. Oh yeah. We are facing, okay, north is that way, so we are facing west. And this is the southwest corner of this Georgia Power tract. I think it's Chattahoochee 3 tract. But it's huge. It's 28,000 acres. When Bandit does approve, okay, we have Bandit's approval. Yes. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll be back soon.